Hello guys, today I'll show you how to create this part in Solidworks, how to create it in 3D. So we'll go File, New, Part, OK. Now we'll choose Sketch, I'll choose a plane, usually go for front plane, and we can start drawing. Now let's analyze the draw for a second. In order to create this part, I'll create a base first. The base of this part is made out of two circles and two tangent lines between them. So I will do just that. Two circles, and I'll keep pressing Control and select both circles to make them equal. Okay, now we'll draw the line between them. Nice, another one. Now these lines should be tangent to these circles, obviously. So I'll press Control, I'll keep pressing Control and select a line and a circle and press and select tangent. Now we do the same for the rest. Tangent, tangent again, tangent again. Great. Now these circles have the dimension of 100 diameter. Great. Now I need a distance between the centers of the circles. That distance is 130. 130 here. Great. Now I'll use trim entities to delete these inside edges. And we have now the profile of the base of the part. So now we go features. We'll use a feature called extruded boss base. And the extrusion length will be 25 millimeters. So I'll introduce here 25 millimeters. Great. That's great. Now I'll create this extruded boss base. It's just a circle on the surface and a basic extrusion. Nothing too complicated. Sketch, circle. I'll use normal to see better. So now I'll press Control, select the circle and this edge, and I'll make it tangent, which is great. Now I'll use extruded boss like I said. Once again, now the length of extrusion here is 65 minus 25, which is basically 40. 40, and that's it, right? As we can see here, we have a radius. We have a radius here, radius of 5. This option is called fillet. This is a fillet. Sorry, this is a fillet. We'll use fillet to create this feature. So we'll use fillet. We'll select the edge. I'll introduce here 5 millimeters. Okay, that's great. We created that also. Now I'll create this hole. You can use either hole wizard or extruded cut. I'll use extruded cut for me. I'll use sketch on this side. I'll use a circle. So 54. It's diameter 54 the circle. 54. Great. Now I'll use features, extruded cut. I'll use extruded cut and select here through all. As we can see, the hole is through all the part. Great. Right. As we can see here, this feature is called chamfer. This is a chamfer. So we'll create this chamfer. Is at the bottom, as we can see, at the bottom of the hole. So I'll go here. It's in the same position basically. I'll just go to this arrow, and here we have chamfer. select chamfer and select this edge, and here we introduce this dimensions, basically 2 multiplied by 45 degrees, and okay, as you can see it has been created. Now I'll create this channel. It's pretty simple. Create another sketch, this surface 2. I'll use an option used I'll use an option use I'll use an option named convert entities. I'll basically select this edge, select OK. So now I have the converted entity of this. I have this circle. This circle will be needed to close the profile. I'll show you immediately. So I'll create a center line. I'll create a center line right here. Great. I'll use line and draw a line from there to here. Now the dimension from here to here is 40. I'll use 20 from here to the axis. 20. Great. Now I'll use a feature called mirror entities. Mirror entities. I'll select the entity and mirror about this axis, and it has been created. Now I'll use trim entities to delete these edges, and we have the profile. I'll use now extruded cut, and the cut length is 10 millimeters. Great. Now I'll create this. This is also an extruded cut. It's pretty basic, nothing too complicated. Sketch on this side. I'll go normal 2. Okay, I'll create a sketch here. I'll use a center line. Okay, the dimension for this circle is 40. 40. Okay. I'll keep pressing Control, select this circle and this edge. Sorry. So I'll keep pressing Control and this edge. Well, the smart dimension haven't disappeared. I lag a little in the application. Now should be great. Now should work. So, like I said, I'll press Control, select the circle and this edge. Now it works, as we can see, and I'll make it concentric. Great. Now I'll create these profiles on the outside of the circle. Okay, this is just basic drawing. We'll draw this rectangle. We'll dimension it. We have 7.5 here. 7.5 here also. 7.5, 7.5, because we have 15 as a total. Now here, as you can see, the distance between this side, between this line and this one is 60. I'll use 30, 30. I'll use 30 from here to here, 30, and also 30 from here to here, 30 here. Great. Now I will use trim entities to delete these edges that we don't need, like this one, like this one, like this one, like this one, this one, and this one. Now should be great. Features, I'll use extruded cut. I'll go through all, and okay. That's it, right? That's it. This is basically the part correctly modulated. That's it.